you are that woman who feels that you're not confident enough to do things or handle situations in life, then this video is definitely for you. Why women feel less confident and what they need to do to change. Yes, being in that same space for years, I can tell you that that was not a good feeling to be with. That was not a good emotion to live with. It really makes you very low on your self-esteem as well. You feel as if you are not capable to do anything. You feel that you can't handle any situation, and even if that is given to you, you are just going to fail. You just feel failure is what is going to happen to you, and no matter what you do, you're only going to fail. Success is not going to come to you, and that is exactly the feeling that I lived with for so long, until I realized that that is not my reality. I have to make things happen for me by making sure that I put in the right efforts, by making sure that I start things and then finish it. A lot of times when we don't finish things, then again we feel that we are low on confidence. Finishing strong is as important as starting strong. So here I am sharing a few steps of how you can be that change that you want to see in yourself. The first thing is to be okay with who you are, to accept yourself with all your flaws and imperfections, knowing that it's up to you to take it the way you want to. And everything can be learned. If you don't know something, there's always a way to learn it. You can always learn through courses or through people or through situations in life as well. Every situation in life teaches you something. Every person in life teaches you something. Now it is up to you as to what you want to learn from that person. No matter how successful you become, there is always something more to learn. And the more you keep learning, the more you keep growing, the more you become confident about your own self. The second thing is to believe in yourself. No matter what, you have the power within you. You are the creator of your own destiny and you can do it. Just believe in yourself. Keep doing the necessary action steps that is required and see the change within yourself. The third thing is to keep learning from your mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes and it's absolutely okay to accept that you have made a mistake. Ask yourself, what is it that you have learned in this process? The first time you make a mistake, you'll be more careful about the same thing the next time, and the next time you will not tend to make that same mistake, and by the third time you will be a pro at that thing, and by no means you're going to make that same mistake again. It is always about learning from your mistakes and keeping on growing. You know what, my friend? You can never truly celebrate success when you have not tasted what failure means. Yes, so you need to feel to understand what success means. So these were the three things that you need to do to be that change, to be that confident woman that you always dreamt of. If you have liked this video, don't forget to share it with someone who may benefit from this. Also, like my channel and don't forget to subscribe to it as well. See you. Bye.